Morning everyone, it's 6 a.m. in Toronto. I'm going for my very first Ford Learn and Drive event at Ford Canada. I'm taking this 22 Ford Explorer Platinum. I'm not sure if recording is allowed over there at Ford Canada, but I'm gonna be driving. I'll get there right on time. If I end up recording, I'll see you guys in the next video.
All right, we're here today with a Lincoln Nautilus, part of the Ford fleet out here in Oakville. A couple cool things about this car. Obviously, you have this huge stretching display that goes from one side of the vehicle to the other. The other thing is the steering wheel. As you see, this one is slightly oddly shaped, but it is the same steering wheel as you're going to find in the Expedition as well. It has full sensitive touch controls on here. So when I move my finger side to side, I actually have controls up here on the touch screen as well. The car does have an upgraded suspension system. It has noise dampening, so it's very quiet when you're driving on the highway. This car also comes with Lincoln Rejuvenate, which is the scent infusion massage experience when you're parked. We go into our car settings here. We can actually click on digital scent, and we have 3 different scents that we can pump into the car. Switch to this one, and
I would think this the dot here means like how hard you want it to be spraying out.
Okay. Yeah, exactly.
Sensitivity. Okay.
So the more dots, the more intense the smell. Nice. But it's not overwhelming. Even at 3 dots, you know, it's more noticeable for sure, but it's nothing crazy.
Nice.
But yeah, this is the whole new Ford Google experience. So it's completely redesigned to basically not make you have to take your eyes off the road while you're driving.
And what's the engine in this?
So I believe this one comes with the 2-liter turbo.
Yeah.
However, I would have to verify that just because I don't work with Lincoln nearly as much as I work with Ford.
I understand.
But this one, the Nautilus, is closer in design to what we would have with the kind of like the Ford Escape, but kind of in between the Ford Escape and the Explorer. Because the Aviator would be the direct competitor to the Explorer.
Exactly.
I wouldn't say competitor, I would say counterpart.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So with the Ford Escape being discontinued now, are we still getting the Nautilus?
The Nautilus, from my understanding, has not ceased production. It is still continuing to go because it is a newer flagship vehicle. So as far as I know, no changes to the Nautilus lineup as far as availability. But again, you know, everything is bound to change. So we'll keep you posted on that.
Good to know.
Now, as we pull up to our training here, make sure you hop out, sign in, get some breakfast, and get on the way.
Absolutely. Thanks so much.
My pleasure. Have a great
What was your name again?
My name's Ivan.
Ivan? Poria.
My pleasure.
Nice talking to you.
Day.
Thanks so much.
Morning.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Not bad, you?
I'm fantastic.
Good. Come on in, we'll get you ready.
Sure. All right, so we got an Orange Fury Badlands Bronco Sport here. Orange Fury Ford Maverick. These colors actually pop. It's a Lariat and Badland. Here in the tent, everything's set up. And you've got a ruby red F-150 Lariat. Ooh, looks nice, 502. With the Pro Access tailgate.
You don't know what it is? No one? What's Ready Set Forward? Who can help me out with that? No one? Do you have coupons? I do have some coupons actually. They're here. So who can tell me what they think Ready Set Forward means? Yes, thank you. You guys are getting off to a really poor start today.
I gotta try, man. I gotta try. It kind of feels like Ready Set Go. It means like you're ready to go.
Oh, okay.
But you replace it with Ford, right?
Okay. All right, good.
Our job is to actually be very honest and transparent in what the vehicle can do. And then it's her, that, you know, if she says, I'm gonna stop halfway, put the dog out for a quick pee, I'm gonna grab a burger in the car and charge for 20 minutes. If that's enough, then you know what, it's her decision, right? We often, in this exercise, we hear sales consultants every day making decisions for their customers, not side by side with their customers. It's gonna be her decision. Our goal is to satisfy her, make the sale, obviously, keep her as a guest, but it's an important consideration, right? So,
I'm trying to see how all these potholes and situations impacting the cabin to mimic a kind of a off-road situation, right?
And how do you think the car is faring with the potholes?
Something that I really like about these cars, I want to put it on off-road mode. This is what I really want to try. Steering wheel is really, really easy to use, very soft. What I noticed, if you take it quicker than usual, you get less impact to the cabin. Steering wheel is light, but you feel confident maneuvering quickly with it. So it's light, it's comfortable, but you still have good precision with it. That's what I feel at the moment.
Great, thank you.
This is how the Maverick Tremor looks, 2026, with the vapor blue color. I'm gonna take it as quick as I can, see if we can lose the steering wheel. Oh, you can actually have control. This sits higher than a regular Maverick because of the Tremor suspension. It's a little bit different, but it still takes the corners pretty nice. I'm not even slipping. Sharp turn. Do another one here. Very easy to maneuver being a truck. Let's see. Nice. Sport, Eco, Normal. Let's go with maybe Sport mode with the rear-wheel drive. Steering feel is definitely different, and being a larger truck, you gotta pay more attention.
But you know, for normal drive, we are just driving everywhere.
Oh yeah.
So it's just for testing the power, testing the acceleration.
I wish we had like more obstacles on this side, so
Yeah,
we
it's
can
just
actually
nothing.
feel how the body shakes and moves and feels.
Yeah, it's nothing for the Ranger actually here.
It's nothing. Ranger
No.
can easily just
It's pickup truck, and it's a, you know,
Yeah.
does it have 4X package? I believe it has, because it's higher than the normal Rangers. Just driving in a normal
It's nothing
drive
for
is-
us. I mean, for sure,
it's-
it's more difficult to maneuver and fit in the tight spaces,
That's it.
but definitely more comfortable.
That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here you are.
This premium looks really nice.
I just found out the driving modes actually change the dynamic braking. Like it actually changes the intensity of it.
Yeah, it does.
affect
It
the
does.
brake.
Especially if you go from whisper to unbridle, for sure.
Yeah, whisper will be really smooth, unbridled will be absolutely insane. And this is the GT, so it's got the Brembos on it too,
Yeah.
right? Let's get a shot of those Brembos.
Go for it.
Again?
Go for it. I'm recording you. I got you. I want to record from the outside. Give it 1 second. Give it 1 second. Now go. So now we're trying out the Explorer Active, right?
Yeah, 2.3 liter turbocharged inline 4. Same one they put in the EcoBoost Mustang. Make about 300 horsepower. This Active also has the Active Lux package, which gets you a heated steering wheel and leather seats. Ain't that neat? All right, what driving mode are we in?
You want to go with Eco first?
Eco first.
Oh yeah, this is an Active, so only 2.3.
Yeah. Sorry, I just need to adjust my seat. Put it in sport. Okay.
Do you want to like brake boost it from here?
What, like,
Brake launch it,
yeah, I'm gonna-
gas and brake. See if that makes a difference. definitely different. Definitely different. Nice. Front tires are done.
We're getting there.
Oh yeah, on sport mode, this car definitely goes.
Wakes
Definitely,
up.
yeah. It wakes up. Now we're gonna try Eco. For sure takes more time. For sure, it's like you can tell the difference, 100%. 100%. I'm pretty sure you noticed that as well.
I did.
Oh god.
Yeah, for sure it's a much heavier car. A lot more pressure on the tires.
Wow. Wanna try first?
Yeah, I can try. You wanna go in the back? Come next to me, bro. It's only me and you, huh?
I guess so.
Which mode? Okay, I don't want to try one pedal drive. Let's stay on that. I like to have the sound. You're all set up. We're gonna let these guys go. Give them some space. I still don't feel comfortable. With 883 kilometers, this car already needs all around tires, you know? I'm gonna pass this to you. Thanks for being my cameraman.
No worries.
Even though I'm meeting you for the first time. Oh yeah, for sure. This is a crazier car. See, you can let it, the back end goes for sure. You can easily lose the steering wheel.
Absolutely.
So let's try Whisper on one pedal drive. I want to have this car like as slow as possible. See, oh, with the one pedal drive, as soon as I let go, we just destroyed these front tires. Let's see how this goes. You can lose the back end so easy in this car.
That's good.
You can literally take this car to racetrack.
Oh, you
honestly.
absolutely can. Kill your battery, but
Yeah, and your tires. Oh.
Come on.
Took us 1 second. Nice. All right. I guess we're good. Looks like we're good.
Guess we're done.
I guess so. It was nice. Yeah, this thing is. All right, guys. Thanks for tagging along. That was it for May 5th, 2026 Ford Learn and Drive session. If you like this episode, please let me know. Drop a comment. That helps me a lot to understand what you guys actually want to see and if that was interesting enough. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more episodes.